This is a $1,000 bill, and I can safely say that I receive 3 of these every month because I do a thing called dividend investing. Wagwan future millionaires, welcome back to the channel. My name is Demetress Fairman, and today we're going to do a little dividend recap. If you have been a dedicated viewer of this channel, then you're very acquainted with our dividend series. And for those of you who are new, this is when I just go over all the dividends that I have received and try to beat previous years by reinvesting my dividends. If you search on the channel making $40,000 in dividends, then that is the dividend update video, and in that video I made $37,280 in dividends. The $37,280 was already a world record, beating any previous years of the dividend investing journey, and now we still have dividends, so we're going to build on that legacy, and God knows how much we're going to make next year. But before we get to next year, let's do a roundup of this year. Kicking it off the regular Demi fashion way, which stock you think pays our first dividends? I'll give you 5 seconds to decide in the comment section down below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The JMMB 7.35% preference share. They paid us on August 19, 2022 a total of $1,908.64. I don't know where I got so much energy from. I guess money makes me happy. Our second dividend payer, and it shouldn't be any surprise, it's going to be the ticker symbol CAR. Who knows what the ticker symbol CAR is? Comment down below. But they paid us on September 16, 2020 a total of $2,775.10. You guys should know this because they are a big dividend payer. Number 3 on this list and paying my water bill every month is going to be the JMMB 7.35% preference share, and they paid me a total of $1,908.64 on the 19th of September. Number 4 on this list is going to be GK, Grace Kennedy, and they are new in my portfolio, and they paid me on the 28th of September a total of $787.03. And I don't want to hear anybody in the comment section saying, who is GK? What is Grace Kennedy? I'm sure all of you eat food or go to the supermarket. So any one of those canned goods that you see, mackerel, broad bean, chickpeas, corn, that is Grace Kennedy. And they don't only dabble in food, they are a conglomerate. So that means they are a huge company that have many facets. They're in finance, insurance, food, medicine, a lot more. Research GK, they might be a good company seeing that their stock price is kind of low right now. I'm not giving financial advice, but GK price seems a little low, so for me personally, the lower it goes, the more I'm going to put some money into it, because who knows what the future brings. Cha-ching, more $1,000. 5th stock on this list is going to be SVL, and whoever can reply in the comment section the fastest saying SVL stands for, then you will get a gold medal from me, and I will mail it straight to you in the comment section down below. It's going to be an emoji. Don't expect a real gold medal from me. I'm not rich yet. I'm not reach the big money stage yet. But the amount of people I see rushing their counters and placing their thoughts on the World Cup matches, that should be a big indicator right there. That should be a big clue to what SVL stands for. But back to the dividend news. On the 29th of September, they paid me a total of $862.39. And I don't have a bag of dividends to throw at you in this video. I'm currently restructuring my portfolio. Don't be scared. Dividends are still a major part of my portfolio, and I will still do my updates and try to be that dividend encyclopedia or the dividend investopedia of YouTube. Honestly, I just love dividends. Like, think about all the bills that a dividend can pay for you. Your water bill, your light bill, your internet bill, maybe you can even buy some gas, and even with the Christmas season coming up right now, you can get some gifts. Wait, but where am I going to get these gifts? Well, this is where our sponsor for this video comes into action, JA Deals. JADeals.com is one of Jamaica's biggest online stores. With a wide catalog to choose from, you won't even have to ask if they have what you want. They already know what you want. They have what you want. You just have to buy it. You can get items from automotive, books, business and industrial, clothing, shoes, jewelry, accessories, collectibles, electronics, food and beverages, gift cards, health and beauty, home garden and tools, office and school supplies, sports, fitness and outdoors, toys, games and hobbies. It's so simple to find what you're looking for. It's almost like Amazon. You just go in the search box, type the product that you're searching for, then click add to cart, and you're good to go. And with all the delivery methods that they have, it doesn't matter if you're at yard or abroad, your products will show up fast and on time. But if you don't like online shopping and you prefer that physical store, then you can visit their locations in Kingston, Black River, Ocho Rios, Savannah Lamar, White House and Mandeville. Plus they have a wide variety of payment methods, even Bitcoin. So the next time you're going to do some online shopping, just check out JADeals.com. Again, thank you to JADeals.com for sponsoring this video. But the last dividend we received was a Christmas dividend, and it was paid on the 15th of December. And it was given to us by GK, and they paid us a total of $147.41. Now with these 6 dividends, I can pay my Starlink internet for 1 month. Don't bomb rush the comment section asking me about Starlink. I don't have it. It was just a joke. I still have Flow. But those 6 dividends came to a total of $8,389.21. Now, if we should combine the total from our last dividend update video to the one that we currently have right now, it's going to be a total of $45,669.21. This works out to approximately $3,805 per month. That's awesome. That's good. You know how much KFC that can buy? Not very much in this economy, but we're growing. I'm glad I can show my exuberance for money in this space because you guys won't judge me. We're on the same path. We want to build generational wealth. We want to have that passive income. We want our money to work for us. We want to have that second, third, fourth, fifth, even 100 times source of income because we are on the journey of becoming future millionaires. Anyways, thank you for sharing and subscribing to this channel. And if you want to be a part of the Future Millionaires Club and be in the know when I release some videos, then just ring that notification bell. Until next time, happy investing. Psst.